There's no way you just ate that. Oh, number 5. What the? Anders has a can in his mouth again.
We might want to move this one over a little bit. I think it should be good. Oh. You're good. Yeah. Well, guys, I don't think that's our best, but she'll get home. Well, Rob, I hope these wheels aren't your favorite.
Why?
Because we definitely hit the...
Did I?
Yeah.
Seriously?
You were way over.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Well, Rob, is she going away?
She's disappearing today. Finally.
What do you think, Dip? What do you think, Dip? Huh?
So this car I bought a while ago and did a little fixing series on it, fixing this thing. I bought it with a blown engine, and somebody actually bought it while I hadn't even put the engine in it, and somebody gave me a down payment on the car, and he lives in Missouri, and so now is finally the time where I have it running, and I put 3,000 miles on it. It is all tuned, and the transport company is picking it up today. Anders is gonna give it a little detail and wash. Oh my word. Nice stock and reliable for the new owner.
Going away. It's gonna go bye-bye. All right, well, cars got picked up. Robert drove it on there. It's good to go.
Dippy, what are you doing, bud? All right, this is not the typical car you see in the shop, but we are actually pulling the engine out of this Outback. This car has 200 and some thousand miles. It's got damage on the hood here, some other body damage. It's got rust. It's got a slipping transmission. And so this car is not going to keep this engine in it. This engine I put in about 50,000 miles ago. This was one of my buddy's cars that I bought from him. So we are taking this engine out and we are putting it, can't see the other Outback. We are putting it in another Outback out there. So just a few quick clips of this, and Anders is gonna pull his first non-turbo Subaru engine. Getting her apart. Are you eating?
What? No.
I thought you were eating a cracker.
Oh.
You left one of your crackers on this engine over here.
I did.
Yeah, you want it? Sure.
Okay, I mean, not like on the ground. Oh, okay. Oh, got it. No way. Look at that. Look at that catch.
There's no way you just ate that. This is his first time driving an STI. How many times is he gonna stall it? So you have to turn the key. Is there actually any power? It doesn't look like it. Oh, yeah, there is.
Yeah, there's power.
Let me open the door. Nothing? California girls.
Install it at least 4 times.
At least 4 times?
What type of clutch?
Especially when it's high idle like this, you don't even have to use gas. Just let the clutch out really slow. No. Is it dead? I'll get it.
You don't even have to leave right now. We're in neutral right now.
How's it feel to be a gay man? Stall number 2. He said 4 times. Oh, number 3 already. Just once you get to that point where, or is it dead again? You gotta crank the wheel probably pretty good. Oh, number 4. Number 4. Just don't hit my fence. I swear if this kid hits my fence. Oh, number 5, Anders. You broke your score. It is a Sunday afternoon.
Yeah.
Anders working on a Sunday. Not really.
Well, working.
We've got somebody dropping off a 2005 STI that supposedly runs and drives. We're gonna test drive it. And we're already agreed on a price and all that sort of stuff. But he personally is dropping it off. So we'll take a look at that in a second. Anders will be the recording man. And hopefully all is well with it. Then we got another car, hopefully Monday, that's getting dropped off. And we'll include that one in here as well. So let's check these cars out.
Please don't. I did tighten it down.
All right, we got the new STI. Rob's gonna go take it for a little spin. Whoa, that's crazy. Holy crap, that turbo is loud. Whole bunch of parts, got some length headers, and the turbo, external wastegate. Got an arrow separator.
Dang, you're learning all the parts.
Yeah, I know.
All right, here's this Stand Stout 05. Let's look at this from the rear. Dude, it's clapped. What the? Not my cup of tea, but it's actually a decently nice looking car. 05 STI, EJ20X, flex fuel, stock turbo. I mean, decently modified, but nothing crazy. But he only has 3 lug nuts on the spacers, he said, and 2 on the wheels, just because he switched to these wheels and then they hit the coilovers. So he had to just do that just to get it here so it would roll. So we're gonna pop these wheels off and hopefully properly either adjust the suspension or just put the spacers on right. I kind of would like to just adjust the suspension. So we'll see how tough that's gonna be. I guess we could put it, nah, let's just do it right here. We'll set the camera up and see what's going on. Double mic'd up.
Oh yeah.
Got the mic. Should this be a shop car?
Oh yeah.
And all black could look good with the Burger Performance logo.
Ooh.
Yeah. Wow.
Dude, I could be a vocalist.
I don't know about that. Fix that one.
Good boy. I mean,
Now we gotta find some different lug nuts.
lug my nuts.
You have a mic on.
Oh.
So basically what we're doing is we're fixing the camber, especially in the rear there. The tire, backside of the tire would hit the strut. So it hit up in here somewhere, and he doesn't have one of those, the camber adjusting bolts in the top where it should be. So we're just removing those and putting in a bolt to kind of fix the camber. Same in the rear. The rear is crazy excessive. I'm fine with some just because that's how it's gonna be, but we wanna get it so we don't have to run that much camber like that, basically. Give me a flat head, like that white snap, or the like cream colored snap-on one we like.
Yeah, I know what cream color looks like.
You still mic'd up.
Clean hands, dirty money.
Yes, sir. Man, my nose itches. Whee!
What kind of cocaine have you been taking? Drink.
The itchy kind.
Who's your plug? I don't even understand how.
Plug wall. Yeah! You don't have to sit underneath the car when you're torquing it. Talk about no leverage. And it's a good way to get your legs pinched at the jack valve. Yeah?
Alright, Rob, what are we doing?
Take her for a spin.
Okay. Fix the
Camber, most of it.
Yep.
Say hi. Say hi. I'm sorry.
The whole group out today. Joe Millen at the wheel.
Ben and Cullen assessing.
Those rims. To the graveyard strolls. Where did you say we're rolling this to? Just next to this one? Alright.
You gotta hire this guy.
Dude's trying to take out the camera.
What the? Look at the coolant overflow.
Is it a water bottle?
Yeah. What kind of water bottle is it? He drilled a hole in the lid.
Subaru ambassador.
Oh no, it's a Subaru water bottle.
Yeah, that's some good stuff.
What's up, Dip? What are we doing, bud? What are we doing? Are we putting this bumper on?
Dippy. So you saw a delivery of this thing last night. I thought it was going to be dropped off today, but somebody dropped it off yesterday. So this is a 2004, which I don't usually buy WRXs, and it's pretty rusted out, so it's a little on the rougher side, and it's WRX. I don't know the mileage on it, honestly. The guy thinks the timing belt broke. Click, 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 click. And there's no timing belt on or anything. Grab a broom, because I already dropped this hood on my back already. I think it's a stock EJ205, which I can't believe he's trying to make the power he did on it, but it's got an FP black turbo. It's got FIC 1650 injectors, a fuel system, Grim speed header. It's got a killer bee, actually IAG oil pan, external wastegate. It's got all the stuff to make like 500, 600 horsepower, and it's a stock EJ205 and a stock 5-speed. That it just wouldn't make sense. So we got,
Yeah, it's I know. I thought I was gonna get high in that car.
air fuel gauge, boost gauge, like I said, stock 5-speed, access port, of course, Mishimoto radiator. Got some extra 500 wheels with good tires. We got a teal rim, a dark purple rim, a neon green/yellow, and a lighter purple rim. This thing is Java Black Pearl, which kind of looks nice. What you think of this thing, Dip? What you think, Dippy? That's about it. STI wing and trunk, or at least wing.
Does trunk not work?
No, you have to use the key.
Mm.
Yeah, that's about it. This one is just going to be a donor, to put it nicely. Front mount, I don't know what brand, front mount, Perrin. You can see it right there. Perrin front mount. So if you see anything that you want, maybe some stuff is still for sale, maybe not. Yeah, it's got some good suspension stuff too. He said it has a brand new rear subframe, which looks to be true. Got some adjustable lateral links and trailing arms. Anders is gonna be working on this one.
Surfing the road.
If anyone wants a oil sparkly bent valve in a foot-printed EJ205, EJ20, or HH20B heads.
So we got cleaning this oil pan here for work, and then there's Robert playing.
Classic. I knew that.
Wow. Are you winning at least?
Oh yeah. Always.
Cooking?
Wow, good job. Dang, I need a nap.
I said, Rob, we just go play. Hey, if you think
what?
if you think that Rob and I should play 18 oh my god.
We're going to pick up another car. Supposedly, the guy seems kind of on the fence about selling it, but it's somewhat local, so we're gonna go take a look at it. And it's got some parts that I want. I might smoke a little bit of the profit. Might take some headlights and maybe the hood or something for the Mustang. I don't know, we'll see. You sleeping, Andrews? But we're going to pick up another car. I don't know if we're gonna record when we get there, but we'll show you when we pick it up if we do. So we'll see you then. Come on, bud.
A lot of things, Rob. Dang, that Jet'll be looking sexy.
Jet'll be looking gay.
All right, you might have a little footage from Anders while we were at the guy's house, but this is actually, looks like an 11-214, but it is a 2008 Subaru WRX that's got an 11-214 front end on it. A lot of aftermarket stuff. Got these carbon things here. We've got lots of random stuff. We got some little spats here, carbon trunk and wing, aftermarket taillights, exhaust, all the works. Some side skirts that are probably fake carbon. The interior is actually pretty sick on this thing. Got some Corbeau seats, which look nice. Curious to see how they feel. And the rear seats match, which is also really cool. We got a bunch of gauges. None of these seats aren't that comfortable. That's what I typically find with seats like this. They're not bad. Fuel pressure, air fuel, boost. I don't know what these OBD2 ones are. I don't know what they read out. Got this nice thing here. Not sure what brand that is. We got some lights here. Obviously it's a 5-speed, but you know, got this weird cup holder. I don't know what they were doing down here with the ECU. Little clutch pedal squeak. So the story with this thing is he said it just stopped running on him, which is pretty much never the case. It's pretty much always, it blew up. That's pretty much always what it is. But let's take a look under the engine, or under the hood. This thing's got some good stuff. Good whole hood pins. Look at that. So it's an ETS front mount air cooler. It's anodized gold, and it is ETS piping that was powder coated red. There's a lot of red stuff in here. Red timing covers, red crank pulley, red alternator cover, or radiator shroud, alternator cover, strut bar, a lot of red stuff. Supposedly got some sort of upgraded VF52 turbo. Got a fuel system, TGV deletes, ID 1050s. You can see the IAG fuel lines here. Here's the air motive regulator. I think this is some sort of coolant overflow tank, I think. Yep. It's got some sort of headers that look like maybe NVIDIA unequal length, NVIDIA downpipe. Here's the C-Bond carbon trunk and wing, NVIDIA catback. It's on coilovers, but she's rusty. Rusty. I don't actually know the mileage. It's got quarter rust here though. This one is just going to be used for parts. I know some people might not like that, but guess what? It's a WRX. It's not worth much money fixed. Certainly worth more in parts. So some nice headlights. I don't know what headlights these are. I'm curious. Got a bunch of dress-up bolts, which is cool. Some stuff I might steal for my yellow car. Fog lights, aftermarket fog lights. Cool, let's get this thing unloaded, and I want to see if we can get it to turn over and start up maybe, but I'm guessing it's locked up or something.
Yeah, you're rubbing.
Oh, that is trunk, I forgot. So we're gonna try and start this thing. I doubt it's gonna start. I forgot the batteries were in the trunk. I don't know what the heck, why. There's 2 batteries.
Wow, they're so.
Look at the size of this wire. It's like the size of my pointer finger.
Okay.
What?
Oh, easy. How did that hang up?
I mean, that's pretty big if you ask me.
Oh! Oh, never mind.
No, dude, you sicko.
No
What
way.
the flip?
We just found these. I was looking at the glove compartment.
All right, we will circle back
Really?
on trying to start this.
I wonder how fast this thing goes.
But right now we got other priorities.
Yeah.
Like putting insurance on that car.
Why is the oil cap loose? Oh, it's a metal. It's a
insert.
metal oil filter. Phil, why? Flip you off.
No, flip you off.
All right, we will circle back. Pretty sweet setup, but like I said, rust. WRX, 202,000 miles. Did not realize that, but that's okay.
Oh yeah.
Ringland failure, but a supposedly rust-free. Oh, there she goes. It looks pretty clean. O2 WRX. All right, we're gonna try and fix this little connection here so we can drive it better. I don't know what kind of battery this is. This is the puniest battery I've ever seen. Let's see if it doesn't cut out now. Definitely feels better.
Oh yeah.
Way better. It's a pretty good.
It got pretty good. I was smoking a little bit.
Up the hood?
Yep.
Yeah.
That thing's smoking.
Let's see. It looked like it was, oh yeah, over by the turbo or AOS. Maybe something's leaking, I don't know. Don't know. Hopefully just as long as it's not a fire. Gotta let her cool off a little bit. A little bit mean to her.
Bro says my autism is bad. Robert's smiling like a little kid
Yeah.
when he got a present.
Here, flip it up now. Dang.
Taking it for the spin. Gotta open the gate. So we got a 5-speed or a 6-speed in here?
6-speed, dog.
Well, okay. Well, it is a WRX. Jeez, who said in the gosh?
You can't go back. There's
Oh,
tires there, you thingy.
oh gosh. Oh.
Ah. Oh, Diffie, start dancing, buddy. I need $1. Is that the song?
Need a dollar. Dollar's all I need.
Yeah, he's doing it again. Mom, Anders has a can in his mouth again. What possesses a man to do such a thing? Unless you're gay.
The greatest Porsche. Oh, okay. You like him, Robert?
Yeah, it helps me see better.
Yeah, really, yeah, really. You gonna play some Clash of Clans with them? Or Clash Royale?
Anders will be disassembling this thing. It's got a bunch of stuff on it.
How much horse is it to push?
How much horse is there to push? This is an engine out of an 06 STI. We didn't record any of that. That one right out there. But maybe I'll have Anders record some of this stuff when he pulls headlights off. Maybe. Look at this lazy kid sitting in these seats. And I'm shipping stuff because I sold a bazillion things this weekend.